Welcome to Mobile Tech Arena, and let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium grey color together. So we all know that design doesn't change from year to year anymore, and the design of the S24 Ultra hasn't changed dramatically from last year. What is different though, this device now has a boxier frame when you compare it with the S23 Ultra. In addition, the screen is also flat from edge to edge. My favorite change in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is actually the S Pen. It now has a unified grey color, which makes the pen aesthetically better than in the last two generations, to be very honest. As cool as this titanium grey color is, using this phone without a jacket is not something that I would recommend. And this grip jacket looks very neat, and it really does make handling way much more comfortable. Now, Samsung has found a way to make the screen of the S24 Ultra significantly brighter than the last two generations. It is pretty amazing. Anyway, a full review of the device is coming, so subscribe to not miss that. Alright, that's it for now. Let me know what you guys think of the color of the phone and the jacket in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.